Now, U.S. markets ended the week on a mixed note. Friday saw a rally with the Dow and S&P 500 up about 1% and the Nasdaq under 1%. But tech stocks led by Nvidia dragged indexes lower over the week. Meanwhile, Eli Lilly hit a $1 trillion market value. Now, this next report tells you more. Take a look.
U.S. stocks ended sharply higher on Friday, with the Dow and S&P 500 each adding about 1% and the Nasdaq gaining just under 1%. But all three indexes posted losses for the week amid concerns over lofty tech valuations. That was exacerbated by shares of Nvidia, which initially rose after the chipmaker's strong earnings report on Wednesday, but led a widespread sell-off a day later. Anna Rathbun, founder and CEO of Granadilla Advisory, explains.
I think the NVIDIA effect of the week was overdone. There was a lot of fear going into it, anticipation. If NVIDIA was to sell, it didn't mean that we needed to sell Gap, right? So there was sort of a dump everything effect. And I think today it's turning around. But we remember there's also weakness in the economy. There's a lot of things that the market has to digest going into the end of the year. So I would sort of look at today as dip buyers coming in temporarily. But next week, we'll see where the direction of the market is and whether or not that has staying power.
Shares of Nvidia briefly jumped in afternoon trading after sources said the Trump administration is considering green-lighting sales of the company's H200 AI chips to China. But the stock still ended down 1%. Among other movers, shares of Eli Lilly gained 1.5% as the company became the first drug maker to touch a $1 trillion market capitalization. And shares of Gap rose more than 8% after beating Wall Street expectations for third-quarter sales and profit, helped by strong demand for its Old Navy and Banana Republic apparel.